everyone, hello my creative friends. I want to share something beautiful and amazing story with you. In a small quiet home, there lived a heart that believed beauty does not need to be expensive. It's only need time, love and gentle hands. Every morning, sunlight entered through the window, touching old newspapers, jute strips, pine cones, fabric scraps, and things most people loved would call useless. But to creative hands, these were not waste. These were dreams waiting to be shaped. Craft is not just about making something beautiful, craft is about listening. Listening to the sound of scissors cutting paper, the soft pull of thread through fabric, the gentle brushing of glue into wood. Each sound whispers peace, each movement calms the soul. Once these hands felt tired, life felt heavy, words were hard to find. But when fingers touched new materials, the heart found its voice again. A simple piece of jute became a flower, an old bottle turned into a glowing lamp, dry pine cone transformed into festive magic, and with every creation, hope returned quietly. Craft teach us patience. Not everything becomes perfect at first. Sometimes glue spills, sometimes thread tangles, sometimes colors don't match. But slowly, gently, every finds its place. Just like life. Craft reminds us that mistakes are part of beauty. A rough edges tell the story. An uneven shape shows effort. A handmade piece carries a soul. Unlike factory-made perfection, handmade things breathe. They remembered the hands that made them. Every craft holds a memory, a decoration made during winter night, a wreath created with laughter, nearby a handmade gift prepared with silent prayers. There are not objects, there are emotions wrapped in creativity. Craft also teach respect for the world. When we reuse, cycle, and create again, we give forgotten things a second life. Just like people, everyone deserves another chance, a chance to shine again. As the final piece takes shapes, there is a moment of silence, a moment where the heart smiles not because it's perfect, but because it's real, because it was made with love, patience, and belief. Craft is therapy, craft is meditation, craft is a quiet conversation between the heart and the hands. In a noisy world, craft teaches us to slow down, to breathe, to create, to heal. So the next time you hold something old, broken, or simple, don't throw it away. Hold it gently, imagine its figure, its future, and let your hands turn into simple magic, because when hands create, the soul feel alive. Thank you for crafting with love. Keep creating, keep dreaming. Hope you enjoy these ideas and designs. We want to share something amazing and beautiful story with you. In a quiet house at the edge of the busy world, there lived a woman who spoke very little, not because she had nothing to say, but because life had taught her to listen more than speak. Every afternoon, when the noise of the streets faded, they sat near a small wooden table to the window. On that table lay simple things, old prayers, pieces of jute, buttons without pairs, dry leaves, broken bangles, empty bottles. To others, these things meant nothing to her. They were waiting. She believed that everything abandoned still carried a story. One day, as the wind moved the curtains gently, she picked up a rough piece of jute. Her finger traced its uneven surface, and suddenly memories returned of childhood afternoon, of hands learning to create, of moments when silence felt safer than words. She tied the jute slowly, carefully, as if each knot was holding together pieces of her own heart. As she worked, the house felt alive. The scissor whispered, the thread sighed, the glue held things together like hope hold broken dreams. Time slowed down. Outside, the world rushed forward, but inside that small room, peace was being made by hand. She remembered a time when she felt invisible, when her ideas were ignored, when her effort went unnoticed. But craft never ignored her. Craft listened. Every mistake became a lesson, every broken piece